Hello, Harvested here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues on Wise app on the iOS. So first what you want to do is go to the App Store, go to your Wise app, right here, go here and check for the update. If the update is available, the open bar here should be changed to the update bar. But if you have updated like me, open, and you have the newest version and still have issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways to fix it. First way is go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go here to the apps, search your app like mine, Wise, and change every settings to Fabric, like mine, like Siri here, search here, background app fresh, language is optional, you don't need to, you can change. And if you do this and still have some issues with the app, the last way is just reinstall the app like this. You go, take your app, remove app, uninstall, yes, and you uninstall, and you just go back to the App Store and install again. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.